Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Ring doorbell not ringing inside, Chime settings, alerts, Wi-Fi and do not disturb. To fix your Ring doorbell not ringing inside, first ensure your in-home chime is enabled in the Ring app. If it still doesn't ring, adjust your chime type, check your wiring connections, ensure your transformer provides adequate power, or set up a Ring chime for wireless alerts. Troubleshoot the issue using the following steps. Fix 1. Update in-home chime settings. Open the Ring app and tap Devices. In Devices, select your doorbell, then tap on Device Settings. In it, go to In-Home Chime Settings. Then tap Automatic Chime Detection and follow the in-app prompts. And if you know your chime type, go to the Advanced Settings and verify it is set correctly to mechanical, digital, or none. Fix 2. Configure Ring Chime Devices. Open the Ring app and select your chime device, not the doorbell. Then tap Audio Settings and then go to Chime Alerts. Make sure the toggle for doorbell ring is turned on. Fix 3. Check hardware and wiring. Remove the indoor chimes cover and ensure there are no loose connection or wires blocking the physical hammers, pistons. Then test your wall chime by temporarily removing the wires from the Ring doorbell on the outside wall and briefly tapping them together. If it rings inside, your doorbell button may be faulty. 6. 4. Verify power supply. Voltage. Ring doorbells require adequate voltage to ring a physical indoor bell. Check your transformer to ensure it outputs between 16 to 24 VAC. If you are getting less than 16 volts, your indoor chime will not receive enough power to ring, and you will need to replace your transformer too. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.